we will understand what division method is. So let's take a number. I'll take a number 729. Okay, so I have to find the square root of 729 using division method. Okay, so what can I do? First of all, we will write number like this. Once you have written the number like this, from the right hand side towards the left side, make pair of 2. So 1, 2. Since there is only one number, I'll make it 1. So if there is 3 more numbers, I'll just start making pairs from this side. Okay, so start making pairs from the end towards the left. So we have now these 2 pairs. Now what we will do is, we will take this first number, since there is only 1, so we will take this number, that is 7. Now we will have to find a number whose square is less than or equal to 7. Okay, any numbers whose square is less than or equal to 7, the greatest number. Okay, so first of all, let's try 2. 2's square is 4. Now let's move on to 3. 3's square is 9. Now let's move on to 3. 3's square is 9. Okay, 9 is greater than 7. So which one we will use? We will use 2. So what we are going to do is, we are going to place 2 here and here. So 2 is both divisor as well as quotient. Now 2 2s are 4. We are going to subtract it and we will get the answer as 3. Now what we will do is 2-3 steps that we have to follow. First of all, the next pair we have to bring it down and write it beside this remainder. Okay. Secondly, what we have to do is, this number we have to double it, that is multiply it by 2 and bring it here. So it will be 4. Now again we have to find a number, any number here in this blank. We have to fill any number which when multiplied by this number can be equal to or less than 329. Okay, so let's try with 1. 41 into 1 will be 41. Now try with 42. Let's try with 43. Then 44. Similarly, let's try with 47. Okay. Okay, so you see, when I multiplied by 7, I get 329. So that means the number which I was searching was 7. So I will place 7 here as well as here. Now remainder is 0 and this number is our square root. Okay, hope this is clear. It means 729 square root is 27. Hope this is clear. Let's try one more example so that you will understand it better. Say I have to find square root of, it's a long number, so if I start taking the factors of this number it will take a lot of time. Okay, so let's try and solve it using the division method. Correct? So what we will do, I will write this number here. Correct? So from right hand side towards the left we will start making pairs. 1, 2, 3. So I have got 3 pairs. So first of all we will search a number which when multiplied by itself will be less than or equal to 28. So the number which comes to mind is 5. 5 5s are 25. So I will write 5 here, 5 here and 25 here. I will subtract it, it will be 3. Now what I am going to do is, I have to bring this pair down. So now we will have 383. And what will come here? We will multiply this 5 by 2 and we will get it here. That means 1, 0. Okay. Now I have an empty space here. I have a number to fill which when multiplied by whole digit will be equal to or less than 383. Okay, so let's start multiplying. So let's first pick 1. Okay, let's start with 2. Let's pick 3. Okay, so this is very close, but let's try 4 once. So this is greater. So what we will pick is, we will pick 3. And here it will come 309. What will be the remainder? Remainder will be 74. Now let's bring this whole part down. It will be 69. Okay, and what we will do? We will multiply this number by 2 and we will write it here. So 53 into 2 will be 106. And then 1 blank which we have to fill. Okay, so let's try and find out what number will come here. So let's try with a little bigger number because it's bigger. So let's try with 6. Let's try 7. Okay, so 7 is equal. So I will put 7 here, 7 here and 0. So what does it mean? That under root of okay, hope this is clear to everyone. Let's pick one small number, 2 to 5. Let's try. Start making pairs from the right hand side. Okay, so if I'll take 1, 1 ones are 1. If I'll take 2, it will be 4. 2 twos are 4. So I'll take 1, 1. Remainder will be 1. Now I'll bring this down, 25. This one I will multiply by 2. So it will come here. Now I have to find one number which will come here, which when multiplied by this whole number, it will give 125 or less than 125. So let's try with 23 first. Okay, it's less than. Let's try 24. Good. Let's try 25. Okay, so it's 125. So I will put 5 here, 5 here. So hope this is clear to all. Please let me know if you have any confusion. I want to find the square root of this number. So how will I find? Same way we will write the number, decimal. Okay, now see, number which is before decimal, we will start pairing from the right hand side. So 1, 2. And for the numbers who are after decimal, we will start pairing from left hand side. So these two. Okay, from this end we will start pairing them. Got it? Now same thing which we did earlier, we will have to find a number which when multiplied by itself will either give 12 or a number which is less than 12. So let's try 2 2s are 4. Okay, then let's try another number, 3 3s are 9. Okay, 4 4s are 16. 16 will be more than 12. So we will have 3. 3 3s are 9. Okay, now as we start bringing this pair after decimal down, we have to put this decimal here. Okay, once I have placed decimal here, now I can start bringing these down. Okay, and solve it as we were solving the earlier problems. So 3 into 2 will be 6. We have to find a number which is less than or equal to. So let's start 63, 64, okay, 65. So 64 it is. 4 here, 4 here, and it will be 256. Remainder will be 48, and we will bring this down. It will be 0, 9. Now twice of this number. Okay, so it will be 68, and we have to find the blank. So 6, 8, 7 into 7 will be 7, 7. Okay, so number which comes here is, so we can say square root of 12.0409 is 3.47. Hope this is clear to everyone. Please let me know if there is any confusion. I will solve it for you. So in decimal or in any number, it might happen that the square root might go on and on and on and on, like 3.17 under root square root of 3.17. It can go on and on. Square root of 2 can go on and on and on. So if you are asked to find any number up to 2 decimal digit or up to 3 decimal digit, so whatever happens after 2 decimal digit, you don't have to continue solving the question, and you can just leave once you get the 2 decimal digit. Okay, so let's just take an example. If I have a number, say I want to find square root of 6.625 up to 2 decimal number. Okay, what I will do is I will find up to 3 so that I can round it off. Okay, so let's start. First of all, as we did, now there is one more concept which you will learn now. Okay, so we will start making the pair. Here it will be from the right hand side, this one will be left 1. Now 5 is left alone. Since it's a decimal, so I can add any number of zeros, so I will add one more 0 and I will make a pair. So any number of zeros I can add, unless and until I get 3 decimal digits, I can add as many pairs of zeros as I want, because it's a decimal, so 0 doesn't count. Okay, so first of all, for now I am adding only 1 0. As and when I require, I'll add more. Okay, so let's start solving. Again 6, so what will come? 2 2s are 4, remainder will be 2. Now since I have to bring the pair after decimal, so I will put decimal here and bring this down. It will be, and this will come here after multiplying it by 2. It will be 4. Now I have to find any number here. Okay, so let's try 5. Okay, so I will put 5 here, 5 here, and it will be oh sorry, this is 2, my bad. So we will get 37. Since now we have only got 1 place after decimal, we have to get it up to 3. Now we will bring this pair down, it will be 50. Multiply this whole thing with 2, it will be 50, and we have to find a number. So we will have 7 and it will be so remainder will be, now we only have 2 digits. Okay, we want one more so that we know how to round this off. So what we are going to do is we will add one more pair of 0 here. We will add pair and we will bring that pair down. Okay, now we will bring this whole number multiplied by 2 and bring it down. So it will be 514 and a space will be remaining. So let's try number 3. It will be okay. So we will put 3 here, 3 here. Now we have got 3 digits after decimal, so we are not concerned how much remainder is left. So we will just take this one. Since it's less than 5, after rounding off we will get the number. Okay, so square root of this is 2.57. Hope this is clear. Please let me know if it's very confusing or if you are stuck somewhere. I will help you out with it.